Hi, children. How are you all? Hope you're all doing good, right? So, let's start our session with prayer. So, sit straight, close your eyes, join your hands, and listen to me what I'm saying. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityomamirdangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Fine, children. Stay calm, be relaxed, and slowly open your eyes. Fine? Great. So, children, before going to the topic, let's have some discuss. Okay? So, tell me what this picture implies. That is what it says. How does the picture looks like? Yes, it looks like breathing. Okay, this image is breathing. Okay, that is it is inhaling the air. Okay, for what we are breathing, children? Very good. To live alive and to have oxygen from air. These are the main purpose we are breathing air. Okay, what are the reasons? To live alive and to have oxygen from the air. These two are the main reasons for breathing purpose. Okay, so we are doing some actions, children, right? For doing actions, what we need? We need energy. Great. How the energy will be gained? From where we can gain the energy? Yes, by eating food, we can gain energy. Right. Simply by eating alone, we cannot gain energy, children. Food along with someone or something produces energy. Okay? Food we are eating along with something produces the energy. Food alone doesn't produce energy. Could you clear? Food along with, that is combined with something, produces the energy. Could you guess to which the food will combine or get together to form the energy? Do you have any idea? Yes, correct. Food along with oxygen we are inhaling produces the energy. Right. You got the point. Very good. So, food we are consuming along with the oxygen present in the air together produces the energy which will be utilized by our body to perform some actions. This is what happening. Could you clear, children? So this process is called respiration. Okay, what is respiration? Food along with oxygen present in the air together form energy. Okay, to perform some actions. This process is called respiration. Clear, children? What is respiration? Could you clear? Okay, then. So, children, think food along with oxygen in air. So, simply we just breathe air. There might be something which extracts oxygen from the air. Could you guess which organ perform that extraction? Perform that function? Could anyone think? Okay then. So, for today's session, I'll give an assignment to you. Okay, you have to guess which organ helps to separate oxygen from the air we are breathing in. Okay, so for the next session we can have discuss on that particular topic. Clear, children? Okay, till then, stay connected, stay safe. Bye.